Most people will tell you that you need to grow fast, get more followers, more engagement, more reach. But what if I told you you don't? You don't need 10,000 followers or a massive influence or a viral moment. All you need is 1,000 people who actually care. And if you build the right system, that's enough to start earning $1,000 a month in passive income. Most creators are sitting on a system, they just don't see it yet. And it all starts with one thing: understanding the simple $1,000 a month formula. Let's start simple, with the math of course. Because when you hear passive income, most people imagine big numbers, big systems, big launches. But $1,000 a month, that's a small number and totally doable. Let's break it down. A $10 product, 100 buyers, that's $1,000. A $27 product, 37 buyers, that's $1,000. A $49 product, 21 buyers, that's $1,000. Now you might be thinking, 100 people buying from me? That feels huge. I barely get 100 likes. And that's fair. So here's the perspective shift most creators miss. You don't need 100 people to buy today. You need 3 to 4 people a day over the next 30 days. And when your product lives in your bio, in your stories, and in your content, it starts working for you, even when you're offline. This isn't about overnight results. This is about stacking small wins that start to snowball. Now you don't need to know anything about digital product business. You just need to package what you already know. Isn't that the best part? The goal here isn't to create a business. The goal is to solve one small problem that your audience already has. And here's how to do that in 3 simple moves. Identify what you're already doing well. Have you grown on Instagram? Are your routines organized? Did you fix your own skin, your gut, or your calendar? If your audience is asking how you did something, that's a product. Choose the easiest format for you. Ebook. That's a great starting point. It's just a simple PDF you have written and you can even write it with the help of ChatGPT. Simply ask ChatGPT, help me create an ebook on your topic to sell as a digital product. Then head to Canva, pick a free template, paste it in your content, format it, and boom, done. You can even create a Google Doc, a Notion template, or simply a checklist or a bundle with swipe files or a copy bank that shares everything you help people with step by step. It doesn't have to be super fancy. It doesn't have to be posh. All you need to do is carefully create all the step-by-step instructions and truly try to help someone get from point 1 to point B. And if you think creating this ebook, this bundle, writing stuff down is too complicated for you, you can record a simple video like this from your phone and package it as a mini course. I'm not talking about a full-blown course with 100 different tutorials. I'm just talking about a simple mini course with 1 to 2, even 5 tutorials that you create from your phone. You can put it in a Google Drive, and anytime someone purchases, you can share the link to the drive, and there it is. Your mini course is just being consumed by someone who really needed it. And you can literally create all of this in less than a weekend. I have coached hundreds of students to go from idea from a profitable product in less than a weekend, and my 48-hour challenge tells you exactly how to do that step by step. I'll link it in the description. Now the most important and the best part, pricing it for low resistance, $9 to $49. Low enough for impulse, high enough to stack up and add up fast. The value isn't in how big your product is, it's in how fast it helps. This is the part most creators avoid because it feels too techy, but I'm telling you it's not. And if I can do it, you can definitely do it. Stick close because this is the part where your content starts making money behind the scene. Step 1. Host your product. Tools like Super Profile or System.io can literally help you host and sell your product for as less as $30. And if you're just creating ebooks, you can even host it on Amazon Kindle. Once your product is hosted, make a simple landing page. Again, don't be overwhelmed. A landing page is simply a page where you write all of the information, the features, the benefits of your product, and all the amazing stuff that your previous students have to say about it, and then people can proceed to finally make a purchase. You might think it's hard, but do give System.io and Superprofile a try and you will see how easy it is to not only host your product but also sell it on autopilot. I run my entire 6-figure business with System.io and Superprofile, and I'm able to create a sales page in less than 10 minutes. No coach in the world will tell you this for free, but while you're creating a landing page, make sure you take care of these simple things. When you're creating a landing page, you are giving and you're mentioning a reason for people to buy. And the reason most likely is never going to be what is the name of the module, what are you exactly going to teach. Of course, people need that information, but what people are looking for is the testimony that it works for them. So my recommendation is that highlight the benefits and the transformation that people are going to get with your product, and then you can highlight the features of your product. And if you're promoting your product on social media, make sure your landing page also has visual elements like mock-ups or a simple video where you break down all of the amazing transformations your clients are going to receive or have received in the past. All you have to do is write down who you are, how can you help people, and what do you help them with. Then have 3 to 5 actionable steps and transformations that you can highlight, and a strong CTA that helps them take action. And now this one is obviously the most interesting part. Drop the link everywhere. In your bio, in your pinned comments, in your story, highlights, in replying to DMs, under helpful posts. Don't be shy, promote your business every single day. You made something helpful, let people find it. You've built the product, you've set the system. Now let's talk about how to get real people to actually click the buy button. Promote without feeling pushy. This is how small creators sell, without sounding like they're selling. Follow this repeatable 3-part content strategy. Educate. Here's what's keeping your growth stuck. Why your meal plan never works. The mistake most creators make. Follow it with a bold claim. Soft tease the value. I put everything I did into a guide. This template fixed it for me and I made it shareable. DM me tracker or just grab the link from my bio. You'll thank yourself in 3 days. Use a mix of carousels, reels, and stories. Pin your best performing content. People need to see something 3 to 5 times before they act. So keep showing up consistently and calmly. And by now you have created a product, built a system, made it findable, and got it in front of more people. Now let's keep it running and make it evergreen. Schedule a promo story every Sunday. Repurpose your top performing posts. Link it under every helpful post. Add it to email sequences. Add bonuses or upsells later. Passive income isn't magic. It's momentum automated. You don't need to blow up overnight. You need a problem you've solved, a product that helps, a system that sells, and 1,000 people who care. 1,000 followers is not a limitation, it's leverage if you use it right. So build the product, post about it, keep showing up because small creators aren't waiting anymore. They're earning quietly, consistently, and on their own terms. And if you made it till here, hi, I'm Paridhi and I help creators like you turn what you already know into digital products that actually sell. Right now, I'm coaching someone live from scratch all the way to their first sale. You'll find that journey linked below. And if you're ready to build your own product with a little more support, join my community, The Low Ticket Life. You'll get access to resources, mentorship, and real-time feedback, so you're not building alone. If this method helped you, tag me in your stories. I'd love to repost your product and cheer you on. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.